Hello, everyone. A happy journey that turned into tragedy. Welcome back to English Poster with Anuradha. Today I am going to share a very emotional and important story with you. The Jabalpur accident. This is not just a story, but a lesson for all of us. It was a beautiful day at Burgi Dam in Jabalpur. The weather seemed pleasant and the atmosphere was full of joy. Family, children, and friends gathered there to enjoy a peaceful cruise ride. People boarded the boat with big smile on their faces. They were laughing, talking and clicking pictures with their loved ones. At that moment, everyone was on cloud 9, enjoying every second of their journey with their loved ones. जबलपुर में एक बड़ा हादसा बना मौत की खाई। जबलपुर बोट हादसा एक खुशहाल सफ़र जो बन गया मातम। क्या लापरवाही बनी मौत की वजह? ए हैप्पी मोमेंट्स बिफोर ट्रेजेडी। कई मौतें, कई लापता, कई परिवार उजड़ गए। कई मौतों ने कितने घरों को बर्बाद किया। बरगी डैम. So people boarded the boat with big smile on their face with their loved ones. They were laughing, talking with each other, clicking pictures with their loved ones, and that moment everyone was on cloud 9, enjoying their every second with their journey. No one knew that life was about to take a sudden U-turn. Out of the blue, the weather started changing. Dark clouds covered the sky, and strong winds began to blow. The calm water slowly turned rough and dangerous. At first, people thought it was just a small change. But within minutes, the situations became serious. The boat started shaking. Passengers began to panic. Children cried and adults tried to stay calm. Very quickly, things went out of control. And then the most tragedy moment came. The boat capsized. People fell into the deep water. Some tried to swing, some held on to each other. Some shouted for their help, but no one there. It was a scene of fear, confused, and helplessness. Rescue team rushed to scene as fast as possible. Local people also came forward to help them. Boat and drivers was sent to search for survivors. Many lives were saved because of their efforts, but sadly, not everyone was lucky there. Many lives were saved but of their efforts, but sadly, not everyone was lucky there. Several people lost their lives, families were broken, parents lost their children lost their parents. It was truly a heartbreaking tragedy. But the story does not end here. After the accident, many serious questions were raised. Were there enough safety measures? Were life jackets available for everyone? Was it safe to allow the boat during bad weather? These questions are very important because they can save lives in the future. This incident teaches us a powerful lesson. Prevention is better than cure. We should never ignore safety rules. We should always check the weather before traveling. We should always wear life jackets during water activities. Prevention is better than cure because sometimes a small mistake can lead to a big disaster. Another important lesson, don't take life for granted. Life is very precious. We never know what will happen in next moment. A happy trip can turn into a tragedy in the blink of an eye. So we must value every moment and stay careful. Also, in today's digital world, we must be careful about what we see online. Many fake pictures and videos were shared about this accidents. We should always think twice before believing or sharing such content. Friends, this incident is a reminder for all of us. Safety comes first. Always. Let's learn from this tragedy and make sure we do not repeat the same mistakes in our life. Let us respect rules, stay alert, and protect ourselves and others. In this video, helped you improve your English and learn sometimes important. Please like, share, and subscribe.